Experience heaven in a sip with this purely magical milkshake rich with Pure Magic Chocolush. Hi and welcome to the Britannia Dessert Carnival, where today I'm going to make a really easy but a really yummy Pure Magic Chocolush milkshake. It's so yummy. Crunchiness in a milkshake is something that children love, right? Well, this recipe is not particularly for children, but you know me, I always tend to talk about kids because I just love kids. So who doesn't love a little crunch in their milkshake? So let's begin making the milkshake. In a jar, I'm adding lots of milk and then lots of vanilla ice cream. Whoops! And then I am going to add these Pure Magic Chocolush biscuits. These are filled with Pure Magic chocolate, which is going to add a lot of creaminess, a lot of chocolatey flavor, and a lot of fun to this milkshake. So now let's mix all these ingredients. All right, so my milkshake is ready and I'm going to serve them in the glasses, and that's going to be my Chunky's tip of the day. I've frozen the glasses and I'll tell you why. And here I have some chocolate sauce which I'm going to swirl into the glass. What will happen, because the glass is nice and cold, it's immediately going to set on it. Just swirl some chocolate sauce in. Yeah. Now, time to pour our milkshake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Add some magic to your life with these Pure Magic Chocolush milkshake. Well, if you like this recipe, which I'm sure you do, please share it with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes in this Britannia Dessert Carnival.